Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and we are back with Polkadot coin. Now, since last time we had pretty decent upward movement where we caught on spot the bullish momentum here, although didn't expect it to just go off from this point, just expected it to go like slowly sideways then with bullish trend, but we had what we were looking, and we had a movement of like 40% almost. But nevertheless, we still are slightly far away from the take profit 1 and take profit 2 areas, and if we zoom out we see that there is still a huge potential for this coin. So from current view, we are going to remove this last previous movement that we wanted to catch and going to leave the take areas for now and this zone as well. This is the bearish CMA gap. So bear like that. Now there is a slight chance to see some kind of like a correction moment to fill this bearish CMA gap, but of course there is again a chance to see just a break of structure in this region, and then of course we are going to go and fill the take profit 1 zone and take profit 2 area zone as well. Now what we want to point out as well, one more thing, is this zone here. So actually I didn't notice it, but brother did, and we had a nice breakout. We had a retest, proper one, where there was a proper fight between buyers and sellers. We had one retest, second retest, at the same time dragged the EMAs here. We had a crossover, and now this is the local support area for now. Going to a 30-minute time frame, what we see is not a very good thing. We see that there is some sort of rejection area forming near the smaller time frame resistance zone, and now what we see is after the recent rejection, most likely we might go and fill this area. Now there is a potential to take a short position if we see a market structure break on the 30-minute time frame from this region here. Of course, then the risk and reward ratio wouldn't be so great, but nevertheless there is still a potential to take a short position if we see that proper breakdown happening. Risk and reward ratio is like 1 to 1.5. But this is not what we are looking. We are looking at waiting for a proper breakout happening from here, which means that we have to see first breakout, retest, and then just a smooth movement to the upper zones. Let's put this one here as well. Perfect. So in this case, if we would open a long position, let's say after breakout here, let's say we retest as well, this would be the target area for us right now, and stop loss would be this. Now in this case, risk and reward ratio would be 1 to 3. And that seems more logical trade as well, because would keep this kind of mentality more rather than this short downward movement and just try to catch it. Just wait for a proper break of structure happening here. As soon as you get this break of structure, just go into a long position. Also, there is a chance of just going into the DCA style. Let's say we have a breakout here, retest, this would be first entry, and second entry would be again in this region. Then the stop loss can be also dragged closer to here. But we will keep the stop loss more of here, because who knows what kind of liquidity movements we might have. We see that there have been quite few of the liquidity grabs happening recently. So here where I dragged the mouse. So that's it for the Polkadot coin. As you understood, we are bullish and we want to see a proper breakout from this area. Of course, once again, there is a chance of seeing a correction moment to fill this bearish CMA gap. So that's it for this time. As always, thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one.